In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate eBay with your Shopify store, streamlining your e-commerce operations. Whether you're an established e-commerce business or just starting, linking your eBay account to Shopify can really enhance your efficiency and sales potential. So let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify website. For those of you who are new to Shopify, it's a robust e-commerce platform that allows you to set up your own online store. It offers a good range of tools and resources for managing your business. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign up for an account, but for today, we'll assume you're already set up and ready to go. Once you're logged in, you're at step 1 of this easy integration process. Next, head over to the Shopify App Store. This is the place where you can find various apps to expand and customize your Shopify store according to your business needs. The App Store is user-friendly with categories such as sales, marketing, shipping, and more, all designed to make managing your online business a breeze. Once you are in the App Store, you'll want to search for eBay integration, DPL. This is a specific app that will facilitate the connection between your Shopify store and your eBay account. Once you type in the search term, you should see the eBay integration, DPL app come up. Click on it to find more information about what the app offers, as well as reviews and ratings to verify its utility and reliability. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that the app you are integrating is the right fit for your business needs. Take a moment to review the features and any preliminary requirements the app might have. After confirming that this is the right app for you, go ahead and click the Install button. The installation process is straightforward. You'll be guided through the necessary steps to link your eBay account with your Shopify account. Ensure that your eBay account is ready to be connected, as you'll likely need to input your eBay credentials during this process. This connection will allow your product listings to sync between both platforms, providing a unified inventory and sales management experience. Once you've installed the app and completed the integration setup, you are all set. Your eBay store should now be successfully linked to your Shopify platform. This integration will enable automatic updates of inventory levels and order fulfillment, saving you valuable time and effort while also minimizing the risk of overselling products. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to connect your Shopify store to your eBay account, allowing you to manage sales and inventory across both platforms seamlessly. With your new setup, you're now ready to reach a wider audience and increase your sales potential. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial, and I hope this makes managing your online store a bit more efficient. Happy selling!